Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gabby from MOTAWIL. You can see behind me there our staff, they are ready for the new driver. All drivers should sign the contract and collect their numbers. And then we will teach them how to download the applications and how to swap the batteries. Later I will show you the details. After all process finished, the driver can take their new bikes. Let's see what's going on. Now you can see beside me our staff, they are teaching the new drivers how to use the applications and scan the QR code to swap the battery. Let's see what's going on. Now you can see the customer, our drivers use the app to scan the QR code and open the first floor. Put the old battery inside the slot. And just waiting a few seconds, the new battery come out and take out. And they put the second old battery inside the slot. Need to be careful the directions of the charger. The input. And plug well. Close door and wait a few seconds. Now the second new battery is coming out. And after the driver takes the new battery, it's going to put into his bike. And our staff will teach him how to use the bike. Open the door first. Also need to be careful the directions of the battery. Need to plug the first battery. The interface must be in the right place. When the driver gets the new bike.